was successful with 3 interviews with the big pharma companies, managed to go through with the interviews as well. Good afternoon. My name is Bhumi. I am a pharmacy technician. I currently work as a technician in a hospital in clinical trials. I have biology and chemistry as my background as well as my degree. I had a lot of interest, and this is because of my chemistry degree. I felt like I had a lot of interest in drug safety and medicines, which is more behind the scenes. So when it came to regulatory affairs, anything to do with drug safety, I really wanted to know more about it, learn more about it, and I wanted to see myself in one of the job roles in future. My situation was, this is like 3-4 years ago. I could not even think of applying for a job in industry or any of these roles. And the reason for this was lack of experience, lack of confidence, didn't know where to start, and I just didn't think I was able to do this. I came across the regulatory course, which was offered by Rabia, through a friend of mine. I went onto the website, had a look at the course itself. I was hesitating, like I'm sure there's so many students out there, probably, or not only students, but professionals as well, who probably are hesitating to go for this course or apply for this course. And I was in the same situation as well. I felt like I wasn't ready to do the course, but then I wanted to take the step and I wanted to build courage to start applying for jobs. Yes, it was a big move for me to do this course. I believe I would have eventually made the move, but it would have taken me much longer. So when it came to jobs after the course itself, I started applying. I got a little bit of confidence. I knew the practical side of things. I had a lot of knowledge on theory. I started adapting myself and reading more sort of documents or more newsletters, which are more to do with regulatory affairs. So it sort of gave me a clear roadmap and it built my confidence on each and every step. So my transition into the role became much more smoother and efficient. If I came across an individual who was unsure of applying for this course, like I was initially, I would definitely advise them to look at the long-term goals a person has and the opportunity the course could create for themselves. Yes, I believe in investing in myself. So investing in this course, investing in education and skills can make a significant difference to any person out there. It can improve confidence as well. So before the course itself, I had applied for multiple jobs, like these were entry-level jobs and some were senior level. Anything that came out in the market at the point I was applying for it. I was successful with 3 interviews with the big pharma companies, managed to go through with the interviews as well. What I do is I make sure that all the approvals that we need to have, for example, MHRA approvals that we need for any drug or device that's coming out in the market, or if any new drug which is already out in the market but is going to be used for another disease or a symptom, then I make sure that all the approvals are in place and making sure that the patient's safety is there as well. If any person out there who wants to be in regulatory affairs, if this is their long-term goal, then this is one opportunity where, yes, you have to work hard, but it's investing in yourself, investing in skills, and there is a significant difference you can see in individuals who have completed this course. One is confidence, and it does look really nice, and it's approved, and if I can do it, anyone can do it.